Hey guys, how y'all doing? So today we're going to be looking at how to remove, batch remove loads of comments, spam comments from your WordPress website with simply just clicking a button on your mouse. Now, if you guys don't know, before I start this tutorial, I have created a lot of websites and blogs where I've generated a lot of traffic. This is some of my blogs, as you guys can see. So I've got a lot more tutorials on this channel and we'll have loads more coming. This is recently, just you can see how I've managed to update the website just by going back on old articles and updating them. It's simply improved the rankings, and within 6 months got 241,000 clicks on Google. So all organic traffic. So there's lot more tutorials on that on my channel. But yeah, let's get into this. Everyone hates spam, and there's a lot of spam online that we don't like. And no matter what, you're always gonna get spam comments, and it's all gibberish. So I've been through most of these comments on here, and as you guys can see, there's over 1,300 comments on this website, and it's all gibberish and crap. Now, we need to remove these, but how do we do it? So if you head over to the plugins on here, on your WordPress backend, on your WordPress admin, and usually I download, install this plugin, and then I remove it. So if we head over to plugins, and we type in delete comments. There's a plugin on here that will allow you to basically delete all the comments at once. Now, there's a load of different cool plugins on here that you guys can download and use. But the best one is obviously this one, the first one. So we just run and install it. This is by VP Developer, and this is what it looks like, the icon. So you just want to click on install. Now, don't panic, it won't take too long to install it. Once it's installed, you will need to activate it. So click on activate. And what this is going to do is going to activate this plugin so we can actually run it inside WordPress and delete all those comments at once. So now it's actually been activated. So we can head over to the settings here at the side. If you guys can't see it because of my video. Settings. And let's hide the camera for a second. So we head over to settings and click on disable comments. And on here we will have an option to actually delete the comments on here. So we're going to click on delete the comments, and we're simply going to select post pages that we want to delete. And it tells us there's 1,380 comments that are currently on there. So I'm just going to go in there and click delete comments. Now, if you've got spam comments, you can certainly just select the spam. This will clear all your spam folder. But I want to delete all these comments. I've got my good comments that I've selected. So I'm just going to click on delete. Do you want to delete them? Are you sure? Yes. Deleted. Now if we go up to the comment section, it still says 1,380. If we click on it, we've only got 2, and that is pretty much it. These are just 2 comments that are not spam and they're pending, so I'm just going to leave these and just check these out later. But you guys can see with this plugin, once you install it and you don't want to keep it anymore, you can click on the plugins, go down to where it says Find it on here. Disable comments. You can just deactivate it and then delete it, so it doesn't consume any CPU. Your website runs fine. And then once you get a load of crappy comments again that you don't want, go through the ones you want, approve, and you can run that process again. And that will save you time and effort trying to go through, select it all, add it into spam. You can only do it by like 20 or 50. And if you've got thousands of them like me, that will save you a lot of time. So I hope this tutorial has taught you something really simple there, guys, on how to remove comments from the WordPress website, just by simply using few clicks of the button and installing a simple kind of plugin. And that is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure you hit the like, make sure you subscribe. Got a lot more cool tutorials coming. But from that, peace out, ciao.